Hello everybody, how are you? This is Andreja and today I would like to share with you the second part of our Bora Bora adventures. This is basically a quick collection of some of the activities that we've experienced on our honeymoon. This footage is from our first day, so we've decided to start with some easy and chill canoeing. Well, I really hope that you will enjoy all of these highlights from our trip. After we finished canoeing, we decided to grab a bike and explore some of the other pools around the resort. I think I've mentioned this before, but what I really loved about this place is that there are so many activities and places to visit and relax that people end up being scattered all around the place. So then it feels like you have the resort all to yourself. Okay, it is time for some more fun. We've also tried paddleboarding, but we've had some troubles filming it properly. Plus, I had such terrible balance that I didn't really last long before we went back. The next day, we hopped onto a boat that took us to the main island. There we had a guide waiting for us that drove us all around the island and told us about the history and traditions. We tried some of their delicacies, we were shown some breathtaking views, and even saw how they make and dye some of their traditional clothing and accessories.
So, we're gonna dip in different colors. Miss, please choose one.
Me? The turquoise?
Turquoise blue. That one. Okay. Dip. Squeeze. That's good. Sir?
White.
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 We can do white. We can do white.
And then, a few days later, we had our official wedding ceremony. Here are some of the pictures. Our ceremony, including photography, only lasted 2 hours. So immediately after that was done, we went canoeing again and had some more fun in the water. After that, we thought it was about time to try snorkeling and check out some of the beautiful fish residing around the resort.
Boy, you smashed and even more. Give me
Then, that evening, we also had our private wedding dinner at the beach. It was so romantic and magical. Alright, I want to share one more fun activity that we went to the day after. We tried out an underwater scooter. Here you can see the main platform where we got changed into a suit. And then we were given an explanation on how to operate the scooter, what to expect, and how to communicate with the guide. Don't they look like something from the BioShock game? They were really cool. Luckily, the vehicle was a two-seater, so I was able to leave the driving to Ivan while I was focusing on filming and enjoying the scenery. The guide was so funny, and on top of that, we were very lucky again because we were the only two people there for the scooter. So it was pretty much a private experience just for us two. It was amazing. Okay, here I was sitting on the scooter with Ivan, and the platform began to move down into the water. I was a little bit nervous because I didn't know if my ears would have hurt a lot from the pressure change. And I also noticed some dodgy looking cracks on the windows. I was trying not to think about the worst case scenario, but sometimes you just can't help yourself. The noises that the scooter was making was also a bit weird. So I kept thinking, is this thing even safe? Why am I doing this again? After about 30 minutes, we headed back to the main platform. It was such a great experience. Then we returned back to the resort and decided to be lazy for the rest of the day. I still have more activities to share, so I will make part 3 sometimes in the near future. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and maybe felt as if you were there too. Alright, it is time for me to go. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will talk to you again next time. Bye!